In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to personalize emails in Mailchimp. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to insert your subscriber's first name into your campaign so your messages feel more human and engaging, instead of looking like generic mass emails. First, open the campaign you want to personalize. From your Mailchimp dashboard, go to your campaigns list and choose the one you're working on. In the content section of that campaign, click Edit Design. This opens the email builder, where you can see the layout, text blocks, images, and any buttons you've already set up. Take a moment to let everything load and confirm you're in the correct campaign before you start editing. Next, decide where you want the recipient's name to appear. A common choice is right at the top of your email, in the greeting line, like "Hi" or "Hello." Find the text block that contains that greeting or the area where you want to add it. Click directly into that text block so your cursor appears in the text editor. You should now see the editing toolbar with options to format text, add links, and more. Now it's time to insert the personalization. In the toolbar, look for the option labeled Merge Tags. Click that dropdown. Merge tags are Mailchimp's way of pulling in information from your audience list, such as first names, last names, and other details you've collected. From the dropdown, select First Name. Mailchimp will insert a merge tag into your text, which usually looks like a bit of code surrounded by special characters. Don't worry if it looks strange here, this is just a placeholder. For example, you might now see something like "Hi of Name" in your text block. That code is what tells Mailchimp to swap in each subscriber's actual first name when the email is sent. After inserting the tag, it's really important to preview how it will appear to real recipients. At the top of the builder, click Preview. In the preview mode, toggle on the option called Enable Live Merge Tag Info. This tells Mailchimp to replace that merge tag with real data from your audience so you can see actual first names instead of the placeholder code. Use the arrows in the preview window to scroll through different contacts from your list and confirm that the first names are showing up correctly. If you notice any missing names, you may want to go back later and update your audience data or plan a fallback greeting. Once everything looks good, you're ready to continue designing or send your personalized campaign with confidence.